Hi guys, welcome back. In this lesson, we will be downloading and installing MongoDB. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to open up our web browser. Okay, and in the search box, we type in download MongoDB. Okay, let's click on the first link to the download center, and then we select server. Okay, so we want to make sure that we are selecting the community server, which is the free edition. Okay, and the version will be 2.3, which is the latest, and our OS is Windows, and it's the MSI package. So once we have all of that, we can just click on download. Okay, so I have already downloaded it, so I'll cancel that. Okay, so the next part is very important. So you will open up your installation file in your downloads folder and then install MongoDB. And during your installation, you will encounter the following. Okay, so you'll be presented with the type of installation, select complete, and then the service configuration. This is the important part. Make sure that it looks like this. So you leave the data directory and the log directory to default, and then the service name can be MongoDB, and then select install MongoDB as a service, as well as run service as network service user. Okay, so older versions of MongoDB did not create a data and a log directory for you. You had to do that manually, and you had to manually create a service as well in order to run MongoDB constantly without it shutting down. Okay, and now in the newer versions of MongoDB, they sort of automate that and they do it for you. So that's why it's important to make sure that when you get to this part of the screen during the installation, that your settings look like this. Okay, so that is it. That's all you have to do. And then the next thing that we need to do is we need to verify that MongoDB works and that it's installed properly. And to do that, we can go to our C drive, and then we go to program files or wherever you have chosen to install MongoDB. And then we go to server, and then 4.2, and then bin, and then we find mongo.exe. We can double click on that, and then this terminal will pop up, and then just type db, and then you'll see db, the test database is displayed, which is the default database that gets created. So that means that our MongoDB instance is installed successfully and that it's working and that we can currently use it. So we can just close that over there, and that will be it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.